everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a cool macrame flower inspired chain using a variation of the Aztec Sun Bar. Let's get started. For this tutorial I will be using two different colors of rope, and I'm going to take my first rope, and this is the color I want most visible when I will be tying my chain, and I'm just going to take it right behind my dowel rod, over, and pull the two cords through the loop to form a reverse lark's head knot. And before I pull this all the way tight, I will be inserting my other rope right through the loop here horizontally. And you just want to pull it so it's even on both sides. And then we can take our yellow rope and just pull it tight. Now the first knot we will be tying is an endless falls knot. To do this, I'm going to take the two outer ropes and cross the left over the right. And now you'll notice that I have two loops, one on the right side and one on the left. I'm going to take the yellow rope on the right to curl it up to go through the right loop. Then I'm going to take the rope on the left side to curl up and through the left loop. Then I'm just going to take those two neutral color ropes and pull them tight. Just like that. Now what I'm going to do is take my yellow rope here on the left, and I'm going to move it so it's more in the center, and then I'm going to tie a vertical lark's head knot around this neutral colored cord on the left. So I'm just going to cross it over to form a loop, twist it around to go through that loop, pull it tight, then I take it behind the rope, curl it around, and go through that loop. And I just pull it tight. And now I'm going to repeat on the right. So the yellow rope's going to come towards the center, then it's going to cross over the rope on the right, twist around to go through the loop, pull it through, and then pull it tight. Then it's going to go behind that rope where it twists around to go through the loop, and I pull it tight. Just like that. And now I'm going to create another endless falls knot. So again, I'm going to take the outer ropes, cross the left over the right. There'll be two loops here. I take the right side of the yellow rope to curl up through the right loop. Then I take the yellow rope on the left to curl up and go through the loop on the left. I take my natural color ropes and I pull them tight. And you will have formed a little flower-like shape right here. And now we're just repeating these steps over and over again in our chain. So now it comes our vertical lark's head knot. The rope on the left, take it towards the middle, then cross it over the left rope, twist it around to go through the loop, and pull it tight. Then I'm going to take it behind, twist it around to go through the loop, and pull it tight. Now I repeat on the right side. And then I can make my endless falls knot once again. And there we go. So this is just a fun little way that you can incorporate a flower-like pattern into all of your designs. You can use this for a bracelet, a keychain, plant hangers, wall hangers, belts, anything really that you would like. It's just, you can stop with just one little design, or you can make a whole long chain. It's completely up to you, and you can have fun by switching out the colors as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.